In this video, we'll show you how to utilize the Wizard payment page. This allows the user to take payments over the phone and/or face-to-face. To begin, head up to Transactions, across to Virtual Terminal, and select the Wizard payment page. So the Wizard payment page utilizes 3D Secure for its security. You need to bear in mind that whoever you're talking with or is trying to utilize this needs to have their security codes or email login to read security codes to be able to validate the 3D Secure. If not, you're better off sending them a payment link. You'll find that the customers who utilize a corporate card may struggle with this Wizard payment page because of the lack of validation that they will have. So to begin, head up to the top left and add what you wish the title to be. So it can be a service, it can be a product. For this, we're just going to call it a test purchase. We're going to select a price that you want to charge the customer, for in this case £10. Then select the currency you wish to charge the customer, so GBP in this case. Leave installments the same, leave sale authorization the same, and select open window. Okay, and as you can see at the top, it says pay for test purchase, so whatever yours will be, it can be a service or product, the £10. We now need to add the cardholder name, which the customer will give you. We then add an email address. This is where the customer's receipt will go to. Then add a card number, expiry date, and the CVV number. This can be found on the rear of a MasterCard and Visa, last 3 digits, and on an Amex, it'll be on the right-hand side of the card, the 4 digits. You don't need to add the address, but you do need to add the phone number. Make sure not to leave any spaces. If you do, it can cause a failed transaction. You'd then select Continue and select that you wish to proceed with this, and that will process the transaction.